Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes BOOTREC FIXBOOT element not found error Windows fix. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Diskpart. Type list space, disk. No star under GPT indicates the partition is MBR. Select disk space 0. Type list space, volume. Find your system volume. Select space, volume space, 1. Type detail space, partition. Type active. Type BOOTREC space, /FIXBOOT. If any error follow the another command. BOOTSEC space, /NT60 space, SYS. Type BOOTREC space, /FIXBOOT. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.